Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I'm going to show you a small but very useful device for increasing DC voltage. This booster device can be used in many of your DIY stuff, and the main purpose to increase the DC voltage. The controller is based on several electronic components such as capacitors, one chip XL6009E, as well as one inductor, potentiometer, and several resistors around. The main parameters of the controller input voltage can be from 3 volt to 32 volts, while output can be adjusted from 5 volt to 40 volt with a maximum output current 5 amps. Is it true or no? We will try to find out today. Let's go! For checking and testing this device today we will need to use some cutter, screwdriver, one lithium battery, some lamp bulb, incandescent light for making load, to load our device, and to measure parameters I'm going to use 2 multimeters. Also we will need one soldering iron to make nice connections. To make proper connection for this device very important, but at the same time it's very easy. From this side we can see in plus and in minus. This is incoming power from 3 to 32 volts. And from opposite side we can see out plus and out minus. This is our output, which can be from 5 volt to 40 volts. To change parameters we need just to rotate potentiometer. Like this we have for the moment. Input-output wires is connected. Now I'm going to connect battery to input side. Okay, this is what we have for the moment. Just for testing it's more than enough. Now we have output wires. Let's connect multimeter and to see what we have. Okay, now on multimeter I will select DC voltage and we'll just connect second wire. Okay, we have already some parameters, and let's see how we can change it and what we can receive by rotating this resistor. Okay, going down. By the datasheet it must be 5 volt, but it's going less. 3.9 minimum, and let's go to check maximum. Okay, we reach our maximum. It's 39.12, almost 40 like by datasheet. Okay, now I'm going to drop a little bit voltage and connect load. By the load I will use 25 watt bulb, but maximum voltage is 24. Let's to see how it's gonna work. For the next test I'm going to use second multimeter. One of the multimeter will measure current, another one voltage. Okay, let's set up this multimeter for measuring DC voltage, and this multimeter to measuring DC current. Okay, everything is ready, remain just to connect last wire to our multimeter, and we can see that current start, showing us some parameters and also voltage, and we can see already light started work. Let's increase voltage on our regulator and to see what will happen. $10 and current 0.7 amps. Let's continue. Looks like with this power, so strong lamp, our controller cannot give us more power than 10 volts and 700 milliamps. Okay, in this case I will install smaller bulb and we will see how much controller can give us. Okay, to make one more test I change this bulb for smaller one, but also with maximum voltage 24 volt. Let's see, now it's 5 volt and lamp a little bit just started heat up. Let's increase and to see what will happen. Still keeping 39 volt, but here is written nominal 24 volt. We can make one more test. We will connect our controller to this small robot with DC motor, and we easy will increase voltage and to see how many volts can keep this motor and what will happen. Okay, I connect this wire to our robot, and then I will just connect these two wires. Oh wow, crazy. Okay, we can continue. Now multimeter connected to our device and it's showing just 3.7 volt, and we can start to give power now to see what will happen. Okay, it's like this already with 3.7 volt. And let's to see what will happen when we will start increase. Forward 4.7, 5, 6, 7, 'I think some protection from controller is shutting down on 8 volt. This is maximum what we can give. Then it's going for overheat protection. I think that's enough. Like this funny experiment we did today. If you like such kind of experiment, press like, share with your friends Follow our channel, subscribe, and see you later. See you next time.